So I got this problem here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, my brakes appear to be on fire and these need to get replaced now. With the generator we fixed up in another episode, let's just use that to make as much noise as possible to get the tire off. Alright, so as you can see we're using our generator to power our fan to cool off our brakes. So I decided to replace both sides of rotors and pads because they both have not been changed since I got the car, and because the other one was burning and the other one was not, I just decided to be more safe than sorry and to get them both done, which is why you see me working on the one that's not burning while the other one that is still burning is cooling off on the other side. So the parts I decided to go for were these Duralast ceramic brake pads and these Duralast rear ceramic rotors. These rotors are not the proper ones for the rear of the car, as you can probably tell, and I'll have the proper ones linked in the description below. These are the wrong rotors. So what ended up happening was that the brake caliper got so hot from consistently being squeezing on the rotors that the piston in the caliper actually ended up seizing itself to the caliper and would not expand any longer. So one trip to Napa Auto Parts later, and we now have a black caliper that absolutely does not match any of the other calipers in the rest of the car. You're welcome for pointing that out. Alright, so our brand new caliper is on, we got our brand new rotors, and we also got our brand new pads. All that is left to do to this is to bleed it, and for this I'm going to be using the bottle trick. For those of you who don't know what the bottle trick is, the bottle trick is where you take an old bottle, fill it up with brake fluid, attach a piece of hosing to it, and then attach the hose to the caliper, and that's how you bleed it. The car appears to be in more pieces than what I'd want. Yes, we have it up on all fours with every single tire off. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a full-on bleed yet again, because I've already done this, so that will be up in a future episode, hopefully sometime, I don't know anymore. So let's get that caliper on there and that lead in there, so this truck can finally work. Alright, so with that all done, I guess what's left is to just put these on the tires. And with that, we can finally call this project done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like, be sure to like. If you dislike, be sure to like. If you subscribe, then subscribe. And while you're at it, you might as well just hit that bell if that ever does anything. Anyway, my name is Josh. I'm done with this project, thank God. And I'm moving on to the next. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya!